special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and feel free to join the family if you haven't subscribed yet. So click the subscribe button, guys, and make sure you also turn on your notification button. That means a lot to me, guys. I have a tan all over my body and my face is literally looking much more lighter than my body, so that's what's going on. Okay, so first of all, my hair was in cornrows for like a week and I just didn't want to wash it, so it is stretched by cornrows, and I'm using my Cantu moisturizer just to make my hair soft. I don't want to add anything that's gonna make my hair shrink, so I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair, brush the hair, and I'm using this old pair of ties that I had to cut it off. So yeah, I am using my Eco Style gel. Like you guys, I'm going for a puff. Okay, so you don't need to oversaturate your hair, because if you put too much gel, your hair is just gonna shrink, hunty. Okay, use it sparingly. Okay, don't put a lot of gel. I'm telling you guys, otherwise you won't see any fro or any puff. Okay, so if you see, I'm just using a little bit of gel just on the edges or around my head. That's the only time I apply the gel, because I am going for a puff. Okay, I'm just gonna use my soft brush just to smooth everything out, and as you can see, my hair is actually getting smoothed nicely. One of you guys requested that I should do some videos using my own hair, like without any extensions or anything like that. So let me know, guys, if you agree that I should do more videos on my natural hair only. So this is my hair slicked down at the back. So what I'm doing right now, you guys, I'm using that pair of ties, and you need to start working from the back, like as you see right here, and I'm gonna do this at the front as well. So you need to do this bit by bit. If you just do it in a rush, you guys, you might not end up with a puff, okay, especially if your hair is short like mine. So you want to keep tightening the puff, tightening your puff or bringing it together, but bit by bit. Don't just rush in and do it, and like measuring to see if the puff is okay with you. Like I wanted mine to be at the top a little bit more, so that's why I had to keep on like you know, tightening it. And so yeah, I'm just gonna tie this ties at the back. I'm just making sure that all my hair is laying down nice and flat.
Lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scarf just to lay the hair down. I'm gonna keep this scarf for like 5-10 minutes, okay, just to make sure that my hair doesn't pop out. Okay, I wanted my hair to lay down nice and flat. Let him go, let him go, let him go to his children. Okay, I was feeling myself. I felt like you've won Chaka Chaka. Okay,
With me, and we're so brand new.
so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my braid sheen just to give my hair a little bit of shine. Okay, guys, I'm rocking a puff and I'm feeling the puff, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye for now.